It's the end of the season and my boots have taken a beating. I am going to clean them up today and renew them, and I thought you might like to do that with me or learn how to do it. I asked ChatGPT and I'm doing what it says, but some of us like a video, so here we go. First, we'll get our supplies together. You're gonna want some old rags. I use cut-up t-shirts. These are cut-up boxer shorts. You're gonna need a soft brush. I have an old toothbrush that I like to keep around, a spray bottle or some soap and water, some conditioner, and some mink oil. These are all made for using with leather. You might have other products, that's great too. I like these spray mist bottles. This is just a little bit of, tiny bit of dish soap with some water. You don't need much, just a drop of soap with some water. You don't want it to be really soapy. Now, if I really wanted to do a really good job, I would take the laces out. These are these elastic laces. I love them. I could take these laces out and get, take the tongue out and relace them and really get it clean in there, but I wear my boots constantly and I need to put them on sometimes in a drop of a hat, so I don't have a second pair. So I'm not gonna do that, but that's what I could do. And I also need to trim this off. I will do that next. I keep my old rags and t-shirts and whatever. These are old boxer shorts that I cut up. And I can just throw them away. Another thing you can do is spray a little soap on the toothbrush. Get it into the grooves, just gently. You don't want to scrub too hard. You just want to get the soap off. And you don't want to soak them. This part you can squirt directly on. It's just rubber. This also works really good on the canvas. If you use just a little bit, you don't even have to rinse it. Oh my God, look at my wrinkly neck. I think I need to leather treat my neck. I really like taking my time, really focusing and concentrating. Oh, here comes my mechanic. If you have any parts that are not leather, you can be a little more aggressive with those. Get them really clean. I love my Ariats. I want them to last a really long time. Usually they only last me one season, but I learned that if I clean them, they might last longer. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm pretty satisfied with this. They've been brushed, they've been cleaned with the soap, and now you're just gonna let them dry, not in the sun, just let them dry. Here in Arizona, it won't take long, and then we'll do the next step. Well, they're pretty dry now. So now I'm gonna take the conditioner and I'm gonna saturate a rag with this conditioner and rub it in. I'm using a fresh rag, a little conditioner, And then just rub it on. I've seen some guys on YouTube do this with gloves. They just wear rubber gloves and they just rub it all in. That's an option. But it's probably quicker to do it that way, but I kind of enjoy the feel of doing it like this. I feel like I can, oh hi Daisy. I feel like I can get into the grooves better. And sorry about all that racket. My diesel mechanic is working on my airline. I have a leak. So there's the one on the right has been done. The one on the left still needs to be done. Just looks so much nicer. Woo, this is awesome. Gotta have a Daisy petting break. Yes. Oh, look at that. Such a good girl. Such a good girl. The final step is to waterproof. This is optional. I like to do it just in case. You rain it, and I've had this stuff forever. And I don't think it matters which kind, just some kind of mink oil. I'm sure there's other things that other people recommend that are just as good. Just put some on there. This is probably where the gloves would come in handy. This is a little messier. I probably put too much on there. Try not to get it on the canvas part. I figure if it's good for the leather and the boot, it's probably good for my hands too. You know? I don't know. Moisturizing. I should put some of this on my neck. Then let that sink in for a few minutes and then go over it again with a dry cloth. To get into the little cracks and crevices, you can use a clean, dry brush to just gently get the mink oil into all the creases and crevices. You can be liberal with it. And after they've sat for a little bit, just buff them with a clean, dry cloth. Look at that. They look brand new. So happy with that. Yay! Here's a bonus tip for keeping your boots a little cleaner in between wearings. I keep a little brush on my shelf inside my RV door. And before I come in for the night, I brush off the dust off my boots quickly, get it off my socks. I even sometimes brush off the dirt here, and now we're good to go. I sure hope you found this video helpful. If you did or didn't, leave me a comment below. Bye.